Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves staying ahead with the latest tech, right? So this video is for you. Today I'm gonna show you the top 5 AI tools you absolutely need to know in 2025, right? So these tools will boost your creativity, save your time, and even make you money, right? So let's dive right in, right? So first up is that ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, the brain in your pocket, right? So yes, right? The tools I am using right now in 2025.
It's like having a super intelligent friend who knows almost everything and helps you get your work done faster.
ChatGPT has become more powerful than ever, right? So, whether you are writing emails, coding learnings, or new topic, whether you are writing emails, coding, learning a new topic, or running a business, these tools can do it all, right? So, you can ask it to explain complex things simply, right? Generate scripts, make lesson plans, or even talk like your favorite movie characters, right? So use ChatGPT with plugins or mobile apps to unlock even more powerful, right? It's like having a 24 hours as a assistant in your pocket, right? So now let's talk about that. Number two is that MidJourney, right? So MidJourney create art like a pro, right? So this AI tools turn words into amazing art, right? Just type a sentence like a futuristic city at night with flying cars, right? And boom, right?
You can
And boom,
use visuals like these in your videos, thumbnails, and even for branding.
you get high quality images you can use in videos, posters, or websites, right? So content creators, designers, and marketers are using MidJourney to make visuals that used to take hours now done in 1 seconds, right? So now let's to talk about that. Coming so now next coming in at number 3 is Dscript, right? So Dscript edit videos by editing text, right? So this tools is a game changer for video editors right? It turns your audio or video into a script, and if you delete the text, right, it deletes the part of your video, right?
Imagine editing your video just like editing a Word document, right? It's that easy.
That text you delete in your text, right, that part deletes from your video, right? So you can remove pauses, awkward pauses, or even clone your voice and add missing lines, right? It's a magic. So youtubers broadcasters youtubers, teachers, basically anyone who wants fast, easy editing without needing heavy software, right? So now let's will do talk about that. Next, number 4 is Ptory, right? So Ptory AI video creator, right? So this AI tools created videos from your script. Just paste in your words and it gives you a full video with stock footage.
This is super useful for short YouTube videos, Facebook Reels, and even promotional content.
Background music and subtitles, no editing skills required, right? So why it is useful? It is perfect for educational videos, social media reels, or turning your blogs into engaging clips, right? So that is useful for that things, right? So now let's do talk about that. So next, and finally Notion AI, right? So Notion AI, your second brain, right? This AI tools turns your notes into full articles, helps you organize your tasks, create ideas, and summarize long content. If you are a student, a writer, or an entrepreneur, it's your productivity partner, right? So, and even write emails to do lists, right? And meetings summarize automatically.
So, if you are a student or a creator, this can save hours every week and keep your work organized.
A true lines saver, right? So that's it. So those were my top 5 AI tools for 2025, right? ChatGPT, MidJourney, Descript, Ptory, and Notion AI, right? So these 5 AI tools that is very most important in 2025, right? These tools are changing how we live, work, and create. Which one are you create? How we live, work, and create, right? So which one are you most excited to try, right? Let me know in the comments, right? And hey, if this video helped you, hit like button, subscribe for more smart content like this, right? And don't forget to share it with someone who needs to level up their life with AI, right? So till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.